welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I am going to learn you how to draw a beautiful juice. Here I am drawing a rainbow juice. So follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I draw the juice. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using different kinds of color to make it rainbow color. I am using here red color, light blue color, purple color, yellow color, pink color, light green color, different types of color to make it rainbow juice. Wow, the rainbow juice is looking so beautiful. You should also draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids. Wow!